Hi. This is a story from a series about how children get feeding with vegetables. Well, I have at least one that I need to feed. I try my best. So these cakes were made for Halloween using scraps left over from pumpkin carving, but of course any pumpkin can be used. So, we need 1 cup pumpkin puree, 100 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons sugar, or alternatively other sweetener, 2 eggs, 1.5 to 2 glasses of wheat flour, ½ teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 pack of cream cheese, 100 grams chocolate, sugar grains for decoration. Let's start. First step. If you do not already have a pumpkin puree, you must first prepare it. Peel the pumpkin, clean it, cut it into pieces, boil it soft and blend. The second step. Soft butter you must mix with dinosaur eggs. Wait, there's something wrong. Oops, not dinosaur but a chicken eggs, and with sugar, add a pinch of salt. Especially for airy cakes, the egg whites are thawed separately from the yolks, and finally the egg whites are added to the finished mass. The third step, add the pumpkin puree, baking powder and flour. When adding flour as usual, look at the thickness of the dough. The dough should be neither very dripping nor very thick. You know the dough? So, like that must be. The fourth step, put the dough in a mold and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15-20 minutes, until after testing with a stick, the middle is baked. Take out and cool. The fifth step, while the cakes are cooling, we add melted chocolate to the cream cheese. Cool the mass until it remains relatively firm but is still pushed through the decorating nozzle. Take the decorating tools and decorate each cake with a chocolate cream hat. Garnish with sugar grains or grated chocolate. Approximately 100 grams of the product contains energy 342 kilocalories, fat 22 grams, of which saturated 14 grams, carbohydrates 31.4 grams, of which fiber 1.9 grams, of which sugar 10.6 grams, protein 5.5 grams. Good luck with cooking, but now I'm going to sleep. Hi. This YouTube channel is designed to share the experience of older people who have gained a lot of life experience and to help them and all other age groups. Please post your video and other information to the email below the video. The information you receive is published with your permission on this YouTube channel, not letting your experience be forgotten by others.